Hey there everyone, this is John Barton from JB Cases. This is our weekly showcase for the week of Friday, November 4th. So let's just jump right in, see what we can do here. Alrighty, we have a bunch of cool cases here. So let's start with this one here is a 1x2 basic rugged with 2 pockets. As you can see here, it says Taylor on here. Nice small pocket up there, blue stitching, single strap. And this one has a blue interior. It's our Ultra Pad interior. As one of our customers mentioned in his review, you always know it's a JB case because of the Ultra Pad interior, and also because we put JB cases on it, which we didn't do here, by the way. JB cases right there, and we are missing the JB cases right there. Mm-hmm. She felt like it would be a little too small on that one, so we just put it on the inside. Alright, this is a 3x6. This one is black with orange stitching. It says Jason right there. Backpack straps, orange zipper pulls, and definitely a, on the back it also says Jason. Jason Fowl? I don't know. You have to tell us how to pronounce your name, Jason. I don't want to pronounce people's names wrong. With an orange interior. There you go. Alright, next one I have here is black, green, and orange. And it says here, what do you guys think that says? Riley, number 69. There we go. Stop laughing like you know what that is.
I don't know.
Yeah, I know you don't know.
Yeah, interesting number.
Yes, it is an interesting number, isn't it?
Yeah.
I don't think you passed that lesson.
Oh my God.
Alright, this one here is a black oil tan 4x8. 4 butts, 8 shafts. Oil tan leather. This is like the premium leather right here. This one is this is a rock solid case right here. It's got a little weight to it because of the oil tan leather, but it is a badass case. If you want a tank of a case, this is the one you get right here. Well balanced, everything's great. Just you got the type of leather that is the without a doubt the heaviest leather that we have. This one has magnetic latch, magnetic here, 2 zippers, wraparound zipper here. Really sweet. There you go. This one here is I think this one is for one of our good buddies, our good customers here. I won't mention his name right now. He knows who it is. But this one is a 3x6 all leather with baseball stitch on the back. Wow, this case is pretty. What a nice piece of leather this is. We have an extra thick lid here with the piece on there. We have a really cool kind of rectangular hinge on here, as you can see, with a little extra stripe right there. And then you look here, we have some extra touches right in here. These were all designed by the customer. Very cool. He is European with some European sensibility here. Look how cool that is. And then on the top we have a bat symbol. And there you go. How cool, huh? We have tooled zipper pulls. Look at the zipper pulls. Two-tone interior, and then even the inside has an extra special inscription. It says made by JB Cases, Gotham City. There you go. Very sweet. I think he's on his way to having one of the biggest JB Case leather collections in the world. Alright, this is another oil tan 4x8, pretty much the same as the one I just showed you. with a little bit more texture to it, I believe. Yeah, it's about the same. And this one also has a gray interior. There you go. Okay, this one here, I think I showed this in an earlier video, but I'll go ahead and show it again just in case. This is a 4x8 suede and veg tan. Look at the tooling on here. This is that very elegant. This is a very elegant Western belt style tooling. There you go. Very cool. Magnetic latch and the whole deal. All right, this one here is another 4x8 with textured Napa leather. You guys can see that. That looks pretty cool. Very nice. Are all these custom orders, Sonny? Are they for a dealer?
Yeah, Jose and Brandon.
Okay. These are for our dealers. Jose is the owner of, what's Jose's business he's ordering this one? Huh? Cue Ball Cafe? Cue Ball Billiards,
Yeah.
New Jersey, right. That's for Cue Ball Billiards in New Jersey, and then Brendan Sullivan has the Players Club in St. Louis, Missouri. So this one here is a 3x6 in the oil tan, the same oil tan I just showed you. Very nice. Now this one has two pockets, and this pocket has a zipper that goes all the way around, so if you can get for easy access, but we have the 90-degree corners. That's a feature that we invented. Magnetic latch, and 3 butts and 6 shafts. It is 3 butts and 6 shafts, right? Can you look at this? This looks a little weird. I don't like that at all. I don't like it at all. Okay, next case I have here is a 2x3. Yeah, but I don't, the thing about that is I don't like the way it looks, just even from the beginning. You know what I mean? Why does it look so different than the other ones?
Because I tell you after. Because I smart all the shirt inside and the interior like shrink, all the way down here.
Oh, okay. Sorry, we're smuggling t-shirts.
I always
So-
tell people this is like a good way to
This is a 2x3. So the whole thing with that is what she's saying is that we weren't smuggling t-shirts. We were just being more efficient with the way we were packing our shirts. Let me see your shirt. Let me see your shirt. So one of the things that we do, because we make stuff because our stuff is made in China, we can also do cool stuff for people around us. One of those things is we can order shirts and stuff and get them. We can help people that need to order stuff that they might not be able to get for a price that they can afford here. So this is Race Dance Collective shirt right there, one of them that we've made, one of many. And what we do is we are able to save the shipping because we're already shipping in the box anyway. So we've already paying for the weight, the dimensional weight, so we can pack more stuff in there, and that's what we do. And then once in a while, it'll bunch up the interior, so we got to kind of get it back in shape, and that's what I was looking at there. So there you go. So, all right. Anyway, this is 2x3 with a green interior. Very pretty. It's like a forest green or a Kelly green. This one has 3 D-rings on it on the back, so you have the 2 for the backpack straps, and then you have the 1 right there in the center. And you guys should know you can, when you have one like this, you can tell them that they can just have 1 big D-ring. It's better.
But they want to.
We did tell them that's what they chose. They chose
Perfect. That's right. We gave them the option. That's what they chose. And then I feel like I should know what this symbol is, but I don't. So, you know what that means? Nope. Okay. That's all right. You don't have to know. I just. All right. Hey, I'm not done with that case. Yeah. Please
Oh yeah,
don't.
my one's not that.
Yeah. Please don't take stuff off of here until I say it's good. Okay, so this is a 4x8 all leather veg tan dyed black. See that? JB Cases. And this one here is, as I said, it's a 4x8 with a black interior for 4 butts and 8 shafts. Hey, we're still packing.
Almost
How much more?
How much time?
5 minutes.
Okay.
About.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll grab these 3 and I'll be back.
This one here is a 3x6 and black and purple. As you can see here, it says MB Melvins. Nelvis. Okay, got it. There we go. So black and purple with purple stitching and a blue 3x6 interior. There you go. All right, next one I have here is black and green. Very pretty, and we got some triangular symbol on there, kind of like a prism maybe. Backpack straps, green stitching. You guys got to see that close to see that stitching. Then on the top we have initials on the top. Looks like RJ. And what color interior for this 2x5, 3x4 green interior. There you go. Nicely padded.
Go ahead.
Can you just take it, please? Okay, this one is a 4x8 navy blue and royal blue with light blue piping. And this is for Jaeger. Very pretty. This is what we call our Dynamite Rugged series. This has taller pockets and longer pockets. Named after one of our favorite customers, Kid Dynamite. He was the first one who asked us for those pockets, so we named the style after him. All right, this one is black and orange for Peter. Why are you guys whispering? Don't whisper, it bothers me. Just talk, it's okay. When this one has a black interior. There you go. Alright, the next one I have here is a 2x3, black and purple, with a really pretty, it's like a bird right there. And then we have a dragon coming out of the pocket here. And this one is for Gypsy, with a single strap. And let's see what color interior we have. 2x3. There you go, purple. Alright, is that it? Yep, that's all of them. So that is our showcase for today, and you guys have a good time. Y'all have a nice weekend, and remember, if you don't want to build it yourself, jbcases.com. We'll be happy to build it for you. You can also look down right here and just go check out our designer. You can design it online. If you want to buy a leather case, you can fill out our leather case order form, and we will quote you on it. And there you go. And very soon, hopefully inside of the next year, we'll be revamping the whole website and doing a much better and much cooler designer where you can design leather, textures, everything. It'll just be super awesome. Okay? So you know our designer's already pretty cool. A little bit clunky, but it's better than the nothing that everyone else has. So there you go. So thank you guys very much, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.